good?
Yeah.
You don't, we're not doing rest stops, right?
We're good.
Straight? Okay. What's up, everyone? It is Saturday morning, currently 6:15 a.m. I'm in the S2000 and Patrick is behind me in his car, but we're going to be taking a trip up to Nova this weekend.
Why you drive so fast? Why you drive so fast? Girl, where you gotta go? Girl, where you gotta go? Baby, you should try and drive slow. You should try and drive slow. Cause you're going 45 on the 15. I'm just trying to stay alive on the big screen. When you coming out to drive or the kids scream, I don't know, baby, girl, you moving on the better things. Why you drive so fast?
Damn, those are big woods. Oh, we got the blammo.
I don't get how you guys can do the non-go mode.
The cash mode?
Yeah, you can't do it.
I don't think I've ever done go mode.
Really?
Yo, how you gonna get under this?
Safely.
When's the last time you did your oil change? Before you were this low?
Yeah.
Longest
Yeah, because you barely drove this car for a while.
good.
You think you can get under that?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you look good. Do you have jack stands?
Oh!
Chill.
Yo, Matt, you gotta relax.
I thought I heard the last wool in my life.
So you got no jack stands?
For real, was it
Your shit looks kind of sketchy, bro.
This is big sketchy.
You want to give me a light first?
Light first. You know what we need. What's this? Is this a light?
Yeah, that's it.
6 to 13 is very rare. 14 to 18 is very rare. 19 to 40 is rare. 41 to 60 is common. So $1 is 41.
So at
Brand
41.
cat bag is very common.
So at 41.
It's start expecting it.
I don't plan on going that long. You didn't spill? Oh. No, you spilled a little.
No, just around the rim of it.
Oh, is it flush? Is it flush?
What do you mean?
So like a cover?
No. Wait, what do you mean? Huh?
To where that well goes?
Yeah, this cover.
Oh.
There's like a...
So you can be risky, mom.
Once in Mexico, then another time.
You got this? I don't think you got this. I don't know, it's pretty full.
It's far.
Oh. You ain't got this, bro. Get the rags out. Let me see. Goodness. Yo, good thing.
Hey, good thing I decided to last minute.
At least we don't have to do this ever again. Yeah, this was last minute.
I was just gonna change the motor oil. I wasn't even gonna do the bolt check.
You weren't even gonna do the or the coolant.
Or that.
Don't you have another color? You can barely even see it on camera.
I have I have 3 reds.
Okay. Oh, never mind. That's not even a flex.
But it's red. It'll work on the clear tails.
Oh yeah. Sweet. When are we doing that?
Hands up high, hands up high, hands up high, till we get the lights down right now. Put me in the pool, I'm talking loud, dark blue perfume, go, go. I recognize the fragrance, hold up, we ain't never gonna
songs, unless I write it down for real. P.S. 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 You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know you want what justice, put it in the song, alright. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know you want what justice, put it in the song, alright.
Yo, Big Ed! How much front camera are you running? 8 or 6? 7?
I think it's 6 or 7. 7, 6, and 2.
Yeah, we got 7, 6, and I think I'm 2 or 3. Maybe 2.5.
Sick.
We got the Armada 2.
I think it's about the same as 6. Fuck it, just slam it.
Oh!
Yeah.
Whoa!
Oh yeah.
Hey, and it opens.
Sick ass. Alright,
Oh. Yeah.